What's up, everybody? Welcome to Ingenuity and another episode of Project Becky. Today, I don't know what the hell we're doing. Ooh, I know. So you're probably wondering what I'm doing with this seemingly random pile of parts, and contrary to popular convention that would have you believe otherwise, I do have a plan. Well, kind of a plan. Most of the plan. See, in lieu of the actual parts, I need to get this thing on the ground and under its own weight. I figured, let's start working on dash stuff. Pro tip, baby wipes. Amazing for cleaning your interior. They don't dehydrate the stuff. And what's weird too is they'll clean like the craziest stains off, yet like not damage anything. Like, what unicorn piss do they put on these things? Now, let's see how much we have to cut off. I will say, it is wildly convenient not having a windshield. Makes it a lot easier to do this. Oh man, I really thought I was going to be able to keep the VIM plate. Yep. That's not messy at all. Hey, at least it's blue, you know? I got the black and blue thing going on. We're still sticking to Subaru themes. It's good stuff. All good. All good. All good things. All good things. Okay. Start with 6mm. I have 6mm to work with. I know of all the stuff I had out there, the office chair was kind of the weirdest thing on there, and I promise it was not just a prop just to stick a bunch of crap on. This is what it's for. I need the keys. I'm gonna put the seat down as low as I can to give myself as much headroom as I can. Plus, you know, that way someone taller than me wants to drive, they're not like completely screwed. Yeah, this is gonna take some tinkering to figure out the pedals. I think this is kind of like, dare I say, the perfect height. Which means they would be overhung pedals and not like a pedal box. So the pedal box would be down there, and the pedal box would interfere with this frame rail. Could always notch it, yeah. Yeah, I'm kind of thinking overhung at this point, and this is going to be the floor. Well, this is as far as I had planned. So, yeah, I guess go get some coffee and figure out the next phase. Let's go. Special delivery. That'll work. Did it. look at this unit. Handle with care. Got it. We are in business. There's our right-hand drive one. You can't use a left-hand drive steering rack in a right-hand drive crossmember. I thought we could get it closer than what we got. I mean, I knew it wasn't going to mount up perfectly, but the way they have the mounting clamps situated and the lines run around them, they're just so different between the two that you can get it up in there, but you can't. It's not far enough to get the bolts to the thread in. I thought we could at least get like 1 or 2 threads in to get it close, just for mock-up purposes, mainly to see how these shafts are going to interact between the steering input shaft on the rack and the steering shaft coming, on the column. So anyway, not gonna work, but we got to keep going. So since we're waiting on that cross member to show up anyway, I figure we'll just tear all the stuff back out of the front end, put it back in the rear where it came from, and then that way everything's ready to go. Once the new cross member and control arms show up, we just bolt it all together and Becky hits the ground. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. What can I say? Waiting on parts sucks, but made the best of the situation with what we got. So the rear is now completely assembled, ready to go. The front is prepped and ready, so as soon as those parts do show up, it's just a matter of bolting them on, figuring out the connection from the output of the steering column to the input of the steering rack, and then we can start working on the ergonomics of the interior, getting the seat fitted, get the flooring in, the pedal position, that kind of stuff, get that stuff figured out. Then we're on to fuel and cooling up front, which we don't have a lot of real estate to work with, so that'll get interesting. And then from that point on, where it's engine and trans time. And on that note, I'm going to end it here. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And just remember, on projects like these, sometimes you just need a little ingenuity. I will see you when the parts show up next time.